Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am so grateful that you've subscribed. Thank you so much. So in continuing with my series of what I'm planting this year, so I have got quite a few things. As you can see here, I've got some herbs that I am thinking of planting. So here I'm just doing like different labels because I realized that when I bought these, they don't come with like labels to just put around just to know what is planted where and all that. So that is what I am trying to do here, and I'm going to use like some sellotape to kind of cover it just so if I water it, it doesn't get damaged and all that. So yeah, so that's what I am doing. So I'm quite excited. Most of these you can plant them. Excuse my nails because I've been digging soil. I just did all my pots and things, so my nails are a bit dirty. But yeah, if you're a gardener, you have to be ready for dirty nails. But most of them are like they're ready to start planting like outside from April. So they kind of all around the same time. I was actually waiting for the weather to kind of get a bit warmer so I could do that. Yeah. So here I have my cabbage. I've just kind of put sellotape all over it. I hope this works. This is just me trying. So if you have any better ideas, let me know. So I'm going to do, I have about 20 of them to do. I don't know if it's really worth it, but I just had the idea and I was like, I really like to see the labels to know, oh, this is what is growing here. You know, sometimes if you're not like fully used to what is what, obviously it takes time to get to used to recognizing them. It's good to have the names and all that. And most of them, like most plants when you buy, would have labels attached to them, but obviously with seeds it's very difficult. I don't know, you might find them somewhere, but it's difficult to find when you buy seeds with labels attached to them. So that's why I am doing this. So I have written all the names on my vegetables. I'm just going to put sellotape on them. So I'm not sure whether I'm going to plant all of these today. So it depends on my pots. I'm trying to figure out what goes where. But at least I've done these, and that obviously saves me time. So yeah, hopefully everything goes the way I want it to go. I'm looking forward to this because I've been thinking about this for a long time.